Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. After discussing about the role of Cesare Mazzini, Garibaldi, and Count Cavour, so in today's session, let us discuss about one more different concept from the chapter, that is a strange case of Britain. Strange case of Britain. So here, from the concept, we will try to understand Italy and Germany, they followed different methods for the unification of their respective nations, whereas in the case of Britain, it followed different method, different means of its own unification or making its own nation state. Let us see what method it followed. So, Britain, it emerged as a nation state not through a revolution, but only through long process means procreate. So in the 18th century, Britain, it grew as a nation, and in Britain there were many different ethnic groups comprised in European society or Britain society, such as English, Welsh, Scat, and Irish. So these different ethnic group of people, they grew, or they had their own cultural and political identities in their respective communities or groups. Then English community or English class people, they grew economic power, and they were able to extend influence of their own on the other ethnic groups within the island. Then, for making their dominance over the other ethnic groups, so in the year 1688, so British Parliament, it imposed or it implemented or it introduced the power from monarchy in making British nation with England as the nucleus, England as the central part of all the means of administration. Then in the year 1707, an act was passed. The particular act was mainly identified as the Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland. This particular act between England and Scotland, it mainly resulted for the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain, which made England to impose its dominance or its influence on the Scotland. Then, after this, Scottish cultural identities and their political institutions were completely suppressed, neglected, refused, denied, or not taken into consideration, because British Parliament was dominated by members of England. Then Scottish Highlanders were forbidden to speak their local native languages, and they were driven out even from their homes. Scottish Highlanders, they are forbidden. Forbidden means they not even allowed. They not even given free to speak, to express their feelings, their desires in their respective local communicative language. They are made compulsory to speak with the other language. Then, even from their native homes, they are driven out. Then, they were not allowed to wear their traditional kilts. Kilt means skirt around the body. It's like a gown, or it's a skirt only. So they are not allowed to wear their traditional kilt. Then, so let me repeat once again. So in the previous session we discussed about the role of Count Cavour, the role of Giuseppe Mazzini, the role of Garibaldi. So these three different personalities took their prominent role in the unification of Germany as well as Italy. So after the discussion of these three important personalities, so let us discuss one more important nation which followed different means in making its own emergence of nation state, that is Britain. So Britain, it became or it identified as a nation state not through the revolution but through the long process. So in 18th century Britain, it was the nation which grew, which developed as consisting different ethnic groups such as English, Wales, Scot and Irish. So each group of people are having their own cultural and political identities of their own. So after few years, gradually English grew their economic power and they went with extending their influence on other ethnic groups in the island. Then in the year 1688, British Parliament imposed power from monarchy in making British nation with England as the nucleus, England as the center. Then Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland resulted for the formation of UK, that is United Kingdom of Great Britain, which made which resulted England to impose its influence, dominance on Scotland. So because of this Union Act of Union 1707, so Scottish cultural identities and their political institutions were completely suppressed as the British Parliament was dominated by members of England. Then Scottish Highlanders were forbidden. They are not allowed to speak their local native languages and they are even driven out from their native homes or from their natives. Then they are not allowed to wear their traditional kilts. So this is the result. So after discussing about strange case of Britain, so one more strange case, it has happened in the Ireland. So about Ireland we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Up to that, take care of yourself. Thank you one and all.